Family, friends, and fellow gamers, welcome to Grumpy Gnome Gaming. I am Grumpy Gnome, and we are in the southern region of the Isle of Balduran. We just spoke with the gatekeeper, and now we venture into the north, and we are going to clear the northern region and prepare for whatever lie ahead of us. Uh, I have a slight delay in my headset, so my voice may be off a little as I adjust to it. But we will hopefully get a good recording. Oh, interesting. Hopefully, we'll get a good recording and we'll see what lies ahead. Okay, we already know that there's going to be some creatures that are part human, part wolf, and we'll deal with those accordingly. You know, maybe turn down the volume a little. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, here we go. Let's get into this. We're just about cleared over here. And then there's no turning back. I did pick up a interesting, what do you call it, strategy. I haven't tried it yet, but we may go ahead and give it a try with this group once we get into the shipwreck. But for now,
you must gather your party before venturing forth.
Here we are. We're in the north.
With ease.
Okay. One thing we know about werewolves, spoiler, is they can only be taken out by magic weapons. Whoops. Hello. And let's go regular. This is the werewolves can only be affected by normal weapons. So I'm sorry, magic weapons. And so we need to make sure that we have everything that we want ready to go when we meet
Not a problem.
the hordes that will
I stand ready.
lie in front of us.
Cool one, sir.
Okay.
Go
My
for the
blade
ice
will
boot.
cut you down to size.
And well, that wasn't cool. Don't understand why they do
Nature
that.
is good as done.
Yep. Okay. Everybody, you.
My blade will cut you down to size.
Everybody,
Yes?
you. Okay. So, these are just dire wolves, and which is why. Whoa, Emma one. Okay. Now is a good time to explain something that I've changed my mind on about Emma one. At first, I wanted to dual class her at level 8. I have chosen to not do that because Siege of Dragonspear came out, and I am going to use Siege of Dragonspear as Emmelin's transition period from thief to mage. And I am really regretting, I know I've said this before, really regretting taking Koran into the group. Had I thought out about it, and I'm even having some thoughts about going back into saved files about bringing Khalid back and running Khalid to the end of this adventure, and then changing him out in Siege of Dragonspear. But anyway, let's level her up because she is proving to be quite the thief. Okay, what's going to be our main objective from now on? I know for Durlags, there's going to be traps. So, since I'm 80 here, 75 here, and 50, I'm thinking 50 plus 25 is going to put me in line with this. And then once she hits 9th level, we can start boosting this. And you know what? I think that's what we should do. Maybe a little more here and just inch this up. But, no, I don't know what's ahead. So, excuse me. So we're going to do this, and we're just going to try to get her up to the 75 mark, and we'll call it. And she gets another proficiency. What do we got? Long sword, short sword, dagger. She's going to dual wield dagger. I could give her. Oh, you know what? 2-weapon. Let's get her dual. Dual. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Done. Why? I don't know why I chose this, but I did. Maybe I should have done this, but anyway, we're done. Okay, so she's level 8. Cool. And 40,000 more to go. Ooh, okay, here we go.
I stand ready.
All right, guys, let's go.
Not a problem.
Not a problem. Here we go, here we go. Oops, more dire wolves. Okay. And
For the fallen!
yep. Okay. Come on, guys.
Onward!
My blade will cut you down to size. For the fallen! For right.
Onward!
And I always am.
All right. So far, so good. Let's journey on.
You need something, stranger?
Okay. Who might you be? Meym. New actors in our little drama. Who might you be? Shipwreck sailors, perhaps? Okay, this. What business is that of yours? Feeling somewhat cryptic. We are. Okay, that's always gotten us in trouble. Leave me be. I have. Okay. What business is that of yours? There we go. Save your impatience. Nothing but time on our island paradise. Okay. I apologize. I don't know if I'm going to be so dismissive. Uh, are you not familiar with the goings on in your village? And my time is my business. Move on. Okay. Save your patience. There's nothing but time on this. Okay. I'm not going to apologize to this ass munch. Um, are you not familiar with the goings on? Okay. Yeah, maybe that. Uh, let's do that. The fools within the village walls believe that anything they are told. Cassius is powerless to leave until Salid returns, unless, of course, he sent you here. Never met this guy. Keisha doesn't seem to agree with you. She seems confident in her ability. Enough innuendos. We came in the request. Why do you... Nope. Speak with your... Okay. Okay, let's do this. I doubt that Keisha would see eye to eye. That bitch should do us all a favor. Whoa, whose side are you on? I really don't have time for this. Uh, Perhaps it is you who would die. You know what? I don't have time for this. Okay, as you will. Perhaps we'll meet again. Okay. Somehow I don't think
You need something, stranger?
desire I imagine would be quite pleased that you receive your whoa. Whoa, hello. Okay, yeah, I okay. Let's see. We need to go to magic.
Yes, oh omnipresent
Okay,
authority
you go to
figure.
that.
Yes?
You go to that. You go to that. You go to that. And
Hmm?
everybody on him. Okay, he's down.
It will be done.
That was kind of crazy. Oh, shoot. Come on, Corinne.
Camaraderie, adventure, and steel on steel. The stuff of legend, right,
Right,
Boo?
boo? Right, Binks? Squeak, squeak.
Fools to cross
Oh,
my path.
okay. This is the Blue Queen that um, Eloc, whatever his name is, was referring to. Apparently, this Blue Queen seduced uh, the brother
Yes?
of Elric, whatever. And we are going to have to take out this mage or this siren. And so let's get ready.
I stand ready.
Oops.
You've a task?
To rumble. Try this. See how this works. Okay.
Hmm?
Let's. I'm not even going to give her a chance to say anything.
Record.
You are going to throw that in as a disruptor because we don't want any charm on our people.
Go
And
for the eyes, Boo!
you know what?
Go for the eyes! Rusk!
I'm almost thinking kiter down to here, but she's hostile now. Let's just see what happens because this is not a fighting.
As directed.
Oops. What do you want to say?
Yes?
This is not a fighting
Not a problem.
formation. So let's take up a new formation and see if she comes down here. Okay, maybe send up, let's do that. Let's send up Karlo and see if we can kite her down.
I stand ready.
Okay,
It will be done.
you can stand ready if you want to. There she is. And let's bring her down. Okay. Come on, come on. And there's the spell. Oh, no. I should probably put that at immune to everything
Not a problem.
on her. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's. Is she even wounded? It's not showing. Uninjured. Crap.
Whatever they
Okay,
need.
here we go. Magic missile up there. Come on. Disrupt. Disrupt. Oh no. Oof. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. Come on, people.
They wish my ear.
Yep. Another one of those. Or,
They called.
no. No.
Whatever they need.
Okay. Do that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Okay, she's down. There's the body of that we were supposed to recover. And it doesn't look like any of my people are charmed. So that's good. So let's do some quick pickup.
What is your bidding?
You get these. Actually, they should have been identified.
You're a queer fellow.
Shut the hell up. Okay. Minx.
You point, I punch.
Okay, you got a body. All right. Good deal.
Yes?
Let's go.
Not a problem.
Whew. Oops, there we go. Okay. That was fun. And I think,
Nature's servant awaits.
yeah. Hmm. I know this might be a mistake, but I really want, because he's running in the front of everybody, and
I stand ready.
I
Not a
figure
problem.
he's going to be the first person who's going to draw
Let's talk more fight.
missile fire. Okay, Chihira, you're going to
Yes, O omnipresent authority figure.
regular bullets. You're going to regular arrows. You're going to regular arrows, and you're going to regular bullets. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, here we go.
Yes?
Let's take out, I guess, the middle.
All right.
It's always a
And
good
I
place.
always am.
Okay. Come on, people. Oh, I need to make sure
You've a
that
task?
For right. And I always am.
What you want?
I need to make sure. Whoa, not cool.
They wish my no less than done.
That oh no. You
Yep.
back up,
I've done had enough of this.
and you
Nature's
back
as
up,
good as done.
and you guys.
Yes, O omnipresent
On him.
authority figure.
My blade will cut you down to size.
Okay, everybody
I stand ready.
on. It doesn't matter.
For the fallen!
Boom, and oh, they're both dead. Okay, good. Go.
It will be done.
Okay. Working our way around. And that is a regular wolf? Yeah. Okay. Let's... Are those magic? Okay. And... Here we go.
Yes?
Regular wolf.
My blade will cut you down to size.
Whoops, and there's a number of them.
I stand ready.
Cool one, sir.
Yep. Okay, here we go. Injured one.
For the fallen!
My blade will cut you down to size.
I'm almost thinking to keep these two
With ease.
with their weapons, their melee weapons in hand. Okay, what do we got here? What do we have here? Can we go here? Nope. Huh. Okay. Do 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 do. Oh. Oh, this must be the ancient shipwreck. Cool. Let's deal with that after we clear the region. Okay, we got us a house. Let's go in. And who might you be? Dradeel. Okay. Let's talk to Dradeel.
With ease.
You're not figments, are you? I'm not wasting any more time talking to figments.
Okay. Can it be? After so long, by Saloon's blade, I'm saved. Do I know you? Saved? Do you need assistance? Who are you? Speak quickly before... No. No. Do I know you? Know me? I doubt it. How did you find me? Did the Gibberling 12 send you? Or was it perhaps Goladon of the Unmanned? What? Excuse me, I've never heard of those. What do you mean? We found your hut, came through. What are you talking about and who are you? Yeah. Forgive me. Oh my God, dialogue. I have not had guests for centuries. I'm Dradeel, mage, recent covert to the Church of Saloon. Interesting because I think that's who Salid, the monk, belongs to. Was a guide for the Balduran brave adventurers to Ankarom and beyond. That was long ago. I have lived here for countless years, alone except for the occasional skirmishes with the diseased ones. They haven't attacked for some time. They fear me, it seems, but the younger ones refuse to learn lessons of their fathers. Periodically, I believe it to be every generation or so, they will attack, learn the lessons that those who came before have already learned. I no longer have a taste for battle, but they are abominations and do not fit in this world. I suspect that they can be cured of the condition. I write my theories in a diary that I keep. It seems to help me remain balanced amongst the horror. Do you mean to say that you sailed with Baldur? I would be very interested to meet you. What is this disease you speak of? Is that what killed? And sorry, I'm okay. Let's do this. Have you not seen the abominations? Lycanthropy is a disease I speak of, and the wolfmen are everywhere. You must have encountered. We did. We fought them and won. Uh, we met them outside here. In fact, we came to destroy them. We understand their lairs on the ship, and yeah, uh, yeah. This. By the gods, if you're willing to fight these terrors, you must assist me. Okay, I will fight for a noble cause. Must, you're hardly in a position. Have no fear of these beasties. Show me their lair, and I will put to this. Okay, let's. Yeah, maybe this. Okay, because truly I am at your depth. The lycanthropes lair is in the Baldurian ship. My spell book lies within. I am a powerful. Without it, I am the pauper that stands before you. Few wards cast. I have turned the gods. Fear my solitude. Perhaps a lengthy imprisonment is a penance. Must become worthy of the goddess. I digress. Spellbook is retrieved. Okay, get the spellbook. Where might this be found? And he's going to tell us it's in the cabin next to Balduran's on the level. Please hurry. This amulet can offer you protection against lycanthropes should you need it. Okay, good to know. All right, we got a charm. And looks like we got a
Hi, Karnoth.
chest.
This way.
What's in there? It's locked. Okay, guess what? We're gonna. Oh, okay. Whoa.
Yes? Not a problem.
Okay, and let's do. What does she have that is making her full? That's a emerald, I think. Oh, whoops! There's our timer. Okay. Actually, potions go to Jahira. Let's go ahead and just put that up there. That needs to be sold. Most impure. Okay. 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 Interesting. Goes to you. And well, this is some funky stuff. Let's potions. Okay. And what do you have? Let's give all that to Jahira. Maybe she'll make a soup or something out of it. All right. Anything else before we get going? Holy cloak. what the heck is cloak is a holy artifact of the inhabitants. The item, an item with more symbolic value than actual enchantments. Okay. Okay. And ooh, what is that? Oh, that's the charm. Okay. Do we need to wear it? You've got one on. Okay. There you go. And Emily,
You're a queer. I'm gone.
anything over here? Ooh, tab. What's in here? A book. Don't want a book.
I
All
stand
right.
ready. It will be done.
All right, guys.
Not a problem.
Let's finish clearing.
Salutations.
Oh, salutations. Oh, Kryla. Oh, please help me. They killed poor Jondal. Who? Okay. Who killed him? The wolfmen. They attack as we search for roots in the forest. Please avenge my Jondal. He was so young and stupid. Vengeance shall you get, and I'm too busy. Okay, sure. And they are this way. Please help me kill them. Okay. And let's
You've a task?
yeah, let's do this. Okay. And away
It will be done.
we go. Well, let's get ready.
You point,
Yes.
I punch.
Got that. You
Less talk, more fight.
you
Nature's servant awaits.
get that. You
Life is adventure or nothing.
get that. You whoops, hello. Take that. And you get that. Okay. Do we know what this is? Oh, a +2 staff mace. Appears to be a normal walking staff, but has a faint aura of. Okay, uttering the command, it assumes the attributes of a mace, allowing it to be wielded with one hand. It was likely designed for clerics or druids. Ooh, holy crap. I think this was designed for Jahira. Beautiful. So, change of plans. You got that. And you got yourself a +3 staff score. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see what this
I stand ready.
chick wants. Here we go.
With ease.
Jondal, I brought you a feast. Okay. And boof, she goes and turns. And of course, that's going to draw us out like this. And we are going to. Well, okay, look, Hira's going to get in there too. And you're down already. And. Okay. They are taking out Minx way too easily. So we need to definitely look at Magic Dagger. Dagger. Okay.
It will be done.
We need to look at Minsk and see what we can do to give him a little more protection because he is being hit too easily. Okay, what do we got here? Cannons. Oh, okay, regular wolves. We can do all that. Jahira,
Yes, O omnipresent authority figure.
go back to regular. You, back to, ooh, you're gonna run out. Okay, you, regular. You, regular. You give one of these to you. And there we go. And there we go. All right, guys, let's
Yes?
do this. Wolves. Whoa, son of a biscuit. Holy crap. Okay, where are you going? Okay, good. Damn. Damn. Let's,
You've a task?
yeah, I just
As
want to
you
make
direct.
sure that they're all in
Go for
range.
the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rask!
Uh-oh, not good. Not good. You
They're called
over
as
here.
well as I can.
And, well, all of you
Nature's servant
there,
awaits.
Whatever they need,
over
as
there.
well as I can.
Okay, who are you?
What you
Emma?
want?
I guess we're going to do this. You?
Yes, O omnipresent authority figure.
That thing. There it is. You.
You've a task?
Go back to that. You.
Yep.
Go back to that. All of you
Nature's servant awaits.
on that. Whew. Come on. Okay. Wow, that was a lot of wolves.
I stand ready.
Shoot. Okay, that's back down
Not
to
a problem.
the south. Holy nuts. Okay. God, I'm almost thinking we need to
Hello.
call. Oh, shoot. Palin. Good day to you, stranger. Excuse me, abruptness. Ask your assistance. Just east of this place are monsters. They're attacking a small group. Please, if you have the hearts, come help me fight. Okay, lead the way. Who cares? Okay, lead the way. And of course, before we go,
Yes,
you
O
are going to
omnipresent
drop
authority figure.
this on us again. I see no battle. State your purpose. Okay, here we go. And okay, we have a archer, a named character, and a werewolf. Who is priority? Emmeline has something we haven't used yet, so I am going to do this. Everybody attack. Oh, that bless spell. No, change of plans. Don't do it. Let's not worry about that for now. Let's everybody attack him. And Emon,
I care not.
you have this ring on him. Dinah here,
They wish my ear.
you have a chromatic orb for him. You
Yes?
attack him. You
Who wants
attack
some?
him. Let's see how this works.
For the fallen! fallen!
Okay. Where are you going?
They called?
Okay, let's do this. Oh, shoot. What's that? Yep. Okay. Oh, shoot. Is Emily? Oh my God. Where are you? What is going on here?
I stand ready.
Crap. Okay.
I'm gone.
Oh man. Emily? Okay. I don't know what the hell's going on here, but
Whatever they need.
this
No
wasn't
less than done.
planned
Yes?
like this. Um,
You've a task?
yeah. Stop him.
For the fallen!
You
What
back
is
up.
great peril yields
Oh,
great beauty.
jeez.
They wish
Gonna
as
chase.
well as I can.
Hmm? Life
Why?
is wherever fate takes me.
Shoot. This, I don't understand what the hell's going on here. You know
Yes?
what? Let's do this.
Not a
Regroup.
problem.
We need to regroup. Take him out. You
Yes?
continue.
Great
My
peril
blade
yields
will cut
great
you down to
beauty.
size.
They
You
called?
cast magic missile on this thing.
I need aid soon.
Okay,
You point, I
drink that.
punch.
Minx just can't handle these guys.
I stand ready. With ease. What is your... Wherever fate takes me.
Whatever they need.
God, I wish she had something big here.
Hmm?
Should probably get in there and help out Minx.
Let's butt kicking for goodness.
Get him out of there. Okay, you.
Life is wherever fate takes me.
Okay, M1. You're getting worked. You
Yes?
take him out. You,
They wish my ear?
him.
Yes? Wherever fate takes me.
Are you using? Nope. There.
I feel so cold.
Okay, M1.
What you want?
You
This way.
get out of there. Drink one of those.
What is your bid? Wherever fate...
Oof.
I feel so
Oh,
cold.
jeez. You're already in combat. Wow. Yeah, we're going to call it the episode after this battle because we need to really think about what the hell we got ourselves into. So, with that said, all of you up here
I stand ready.
on, where is that stupid? He's down. Good. Good. Here we go. Let's do this. Magic axe. Magic arrow. Magic bullet. Magic arrow. I'm going for the big one. magic, and magic. Okay, here we go. Everybody attack him. You
Life is adventure, great peril yields
get out of
great
there.
beauty.
Kite him up. Okay. And now you're after her.
As directed.
There we go. Okay, guys, that is it. Let's call it the episode here. Wow, we need to rethink our strategy. And you know what? I don't even know if we got the archer guy. So if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, tell me why in the comments. Please subscribe, hit notifications, do all the things you know you're supposed to do. Please do not shape change on me into a werewolf. I will totally freak out. And with that said, I hope to see you in the next one as we figure out if we got that archer guy, um, or yeah, Palin, I guess his name is. I don't know. And then we're gonna go into that shipwreck. So with that said, guys, thanks a lot. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.